What is up to my brand gang? This is your girl Bree and I'm back with another freaking video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of the brand gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another freaking video. Make sure you also go ahead and like, comment, and share your now's comments and let me know how your day has been, how your week has been. Mine has been all right, you guys. I know you can see from that title I'm doing a seafood boil today, you guys. I know I did one that original first time and I have not did another one, and I was like, y'all, it's due time. So I went to King Crab 7 today in Richardson in Dallas, honey, and I got me some crab legs, some shrimp, potatoes, sausage, and some sauce, y'all. So if you want to watch me chow down on this seafood boil, stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. Now I do have, I'm drinking, y'all, it's Saturday, so I have me a little drink. I got a little 1800 in my cup, pineapple, and then I also got my big thing of water, okay? I did have a soda. I need to go get it. I had a taste of soda. Hold on, y'all. All right, so now I got me a Dr. Pepper. Yes. Been craving me a soda, but I need that water in my life, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. I do have the sauce that they have. Like I said, I got this stuff from King Crab 7, you guys. I also got like eggs and lobster tail and stuff like that. So if you haven't watched those videos, make sure you go and watch those. But this right here is just snow crab, sausages, and they have potatoes cut up real good, and then they have, where's some shrimp at? And they have shrimp in there. This is what my crab legs looking like. Yes, I got my scissors for my crab legs, y'all. Like, I'm ready to go. Like, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to eat, okay? I'm starving, ain't ate all day. It's only 1:26, y'all, but they opened at 11, so I got it fresh, okay? I've been craving seafood, so I had to get it in. I had to. So let's go ahead and start. This little sauce I got from them, I don't know if I said it's Cajun lemon pepper. Let's see. Well, y'all, while I'm doing this video, I did want to touch base on the whole thing that's going on with Blove's life and what's her name? Eat with Q. Now, I don't really know her, so I'm not even gonna go in like that. But what I am gonna say is I didn't know who she was before this happened. I really, honestly didn't. No shade. I really didn't know who she was. But apparently she went to do a collab with Blove and had a horrible experience. But she didn't say nothing. This collab was in December of last year. It's now June. Didn't say nothing the whole time. Now she finally came out saying it was a horrible time. The kid, her sons were rude. Husband was rude. And I just don't buy it. I really don't. Some of they saw she was popping and it was a business move. Like, girl, she had over 1 million subscribers already. Like, it wasn't like she was getting something off of you. And y'all didn't post on your channel for her to get clout. Y'all posted on her channel for you to get clout. No, and I don't want to be rude about it. There's 3 sides to a story. Blove's, Q's, and the truth. But the story sounded a little off to me. I know her sister made an apology video last night. I watched the thing that said that Q actually made an apology video, but that it was taken down. But I don't know. But this is real unfortunate, you know, when Blove started crying and the set, because her family did videos, you know, addressing it. And then part 2, she was crying. I felt so, like, my heart just broke because she's so humble and so nice, man. She just, you can just see that they're good people. And like mukbang, the mukbang community and stuff like that, mukbang, whatever y'all want to say. It's about, like, it's not about the drama. Like, it's about enjoying food, enjoying each other, like, finding a place where you belong, like, being accepted. Like, it means a lot of different things for a lot of people that I've talked to. And for them to be mixed up in some drama, it's just crazy. Like, you kept it to yourself since December, so just keep keeping it to yourself. Do I think she probably honestly felt some kind of way? She probably did. I don't know what she expected from them. Seems like to me that they were very nice. More than nice. First of all, you was in their house, okay? It was just like pure business move, like, don't really care about you as a person, blah, blah. Like, I feel like she would have made you pay for the food, pay for half the food. She paid for the food, paid for the majority of the drinks, like, sis. Ooh, that's so good. But it was just a lot. She called Darius a queen, like, see, now you disrespecting a whole nother type of, like, audience and people. Calling him a queen and stuff, being extra, like, she was just real extra. Real extra. And I really didn't appreciate it. Like, I really didn't like the whole calling him a queen and stuff like that. And that part right there, it really rubbed me the wrong kind of way. Like, it really, really did. It rubbed me the absolute wrong way. I don't like that. Some people have to warm up to you. Like, Blove had been saying that Darius was, like, super shy. Like, that he be outgoing, like, with his family and, like, with his friends and stuff. But, like, when it comes to, like, meeting strangers and stuff, like, he be super duper shy, y'all. Like, super duper shy. And, like, if you such a big fan, then I know you was watching and you heard that. That meat, y'all. I know you watched it and heard that. That meat, y'all. That meat. Yeah, my feelings are really, really hurt. I ain't even gonna lie. It's just like everything you are, like, you got from her. Like, it ain't nothing wrong with that, but, like, don't come out talking about this lady like that, you know, defaming her character and all of that. And you getting your check off her, because all in your tags and stuff is her name, which is nothing wrong with that, because y'all have similar content, or the same content. And that's just what happens on YouTube. You take somebody's stuff and you make it better. You use people in your tags if you're similar to them, blah, blah, blah. It's fine. I won't be talking about her and then putting her dang on name in your tags to get money. Excuse me. Ooh, that's a big one. Ooh, look at that meat right there. I didn't get king crab. I got snow crab. I prefer, oh crab, squirting everywhere. I prefer snow crab. It's easy to work with for me. And I ain't too long started eating crab legs and stuff for real, y'all. Like, all growing up and stuff, I ain't had crab legs. I don't think I really ate seafood like that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that was a sad story, y'all. I did want to say my piece on it. Shoot, I want to apologize to Blove just for having to go through that, like, because she genuinely try to help everybody, y'all. She really, really does try to help everybody. Making videos, giving us tips. I mean, she go in depth, y'all. She making an ebook just to help other YouTubers and stuff. And when she's saying her stuff, you can tell, like, it ain't like no BS, like, she just making the video because a lot of people search the video. Like, she's saying it because she's saying it, and she's being honest and really saying how to be successful. A lot of people just making a video because it's trending. Because you know people will always be searching for it. There's so many people that want to start YouTube, but don't. So a lot of people make that video just to make it. Ooh, y'all, that Dr. Pepper. These sausages though. Well, this ain't the bad, even with you. No, it is what it is at this point. It really, really is. It is what it is. And then her apology thing that she's supposed to have deleted, I haven't checked today, so I don't know if it's back with. They played a little snippet of it in this video I watched, and they was a person said, you know, that made the video. They were like, you know, when she apologized, you know, she said she apologized. It could have came across the wrong way, I think, or something like that. But she stands by what she said, and somebody made you feel that bad and stuff. Like, you ain't finna be still texting them afterwards and stuff. Like, she was texting this lady, cause she's talking about, I cried almost 8 hours, I guess, all the way to her, wherever they came from. I don't know where she stayed. I know she stayed 2 hours from DC or something like that. Delaware, some stuff like that. Almost, cause anyway. But then was texting her, oh my God, I love you so much. Blove cashed after her some money for her hitting 100K. My bad. When she was there with Blove, she had 91 or 92. She said 91. Or whatever. So when she hit 100K, Blove sent her some money. And just like saying congratulations. Like, that don't sound like somebody who just was so mean to you. When I got there, I was asking where her husband was and where her sons were. Like, girl, you can't even collab with her. I understand you want to meet them, but if her husband was setting up for videos, like, that's what he do. That's what he brings to the table. That's what he does. You're not there for him. You're there for her. I didn't know that her family was supposed to be lined up at the door like the Adams family waiting to meet you. Like, that was just a little excessive, and I felt like she was just doing too much on that part. Like, to expect this lady family to just be waiting at the door for you. Like, who are you? Darius said he didn't even know who you were. Like, I didn't know who you was until this drama hit. I did not know who you was until this drama hit. Like, I honestly didn't. Not to throw shade, but I didn't. So she saw I was popping, and it was a business move. What? Like, are you really sitting here talking about this lady like that? Your sister didn't apologize now. She admitted, you know, like misperceptions and stuff like that. But you let you stand on your word. Okay, girl. Stand on your word then. Stand on your word, homegirl. Y'all, look at this. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, I've been messing up with food half the time. I really, really do. These shrimps is big. Shrimp. I'm talking about shrimps. Ooh. don't know how they cut this part. Is this how they cut this part too? Ooh, y'all. Did y'all see that? Some went over on the table. Oh boy. I'm gonna leave that part alone. I obviously ain't ready for that claw, y'all. I ain't ready for that claw life. Y'all. I ain't gonna be able to eat all this, y'all. I'm really not. Ooh. This claw don't be playing. This claw do not want to be ate, y'all. Just a protective claw. Woo! My goodness. No, give me that meat now. It's so good, y'all. So good. From these potatoes to these shrimp, these crab legs, the sausage. Potatoes so soft, y'all. I dance when it's good. Oh. I made a mess, y'all. I should put some newspaper down. Ooh. Let me get some of this water, y'all. Finally found me a big water thing. Ooh, they're making noise. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short because your girl is full. Okay, your girl is full. I didn't say my piece on the whole little situation. Like, Blove, like, I'm sorry that you having to go through this, girl. And Q, I hope that you put that little apology video back up because she does deserve an apology. That's definitely something y'all could have talked about and worked out amongst yourselves. So, the fact that you decided to take it on her, you have so much respect for her and you look up to her so much, but you felt the need to, you know, come on this platform and put it out for the world to see, to kind of like degrade her character. You know, it's just crazy to me, but it is what it is. At the end of the day, you a grown woman. You can do what you want, okay? What do I know? I'm just a little small YouTuber. Excuse me, y'all. Ooh. Ooh, that was a big one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye.